Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Those of you that do follow will have noticed I've not actually put a video up for quite some time. It's just been one long battle really to get out of bed and back on my feet. The medications often leave me a little bit too run down. So here I am, I'm up, I'm out and I'm painting. My blue and purple have both got one drip of argan hair oil in them. I'm just going to start by spreading it around, opening out the paint. I'm using homemade colours that I've scraped off the table. I've sieved them back through and I've turned them back into usable, workable colours. I've got Brunel Franklin's Violet. I have Colvin & Co.'s Rose, Crafter's Choice Carnation Pink, Brunel Franklin's Cerulean Blue, whites, blues and a black. This canvas is a 40cm by a 50cm canvas, and all of my paints, I'll list the recipes in the description. And here we go. Righty-ho. I'll just come along and add some more white into the game. Okay, quite happy with that. Slightly rub around the edges. Okay, so I'll start out with a puddle pour. I'll probably bring in my heat gun and blow it a little bit. This copper's gorgeous. It's like iridescent because it's a mixture of copper and what I've scraped up off the table. So it has a real beautiful purple sheen to it. Okay, so I'm going to keep all my dots quite, well, I've dripped white into there. Keep all of these circles quite central horizontally. Let's see what happens. Dark bluey colour here. Again, made up from leftovers. The gorgeous Dale Rowney, sorry, I called this Brunel Franklin in my last video, I think. Dale Rowney, something like that. Beautiful violet. Okay, so we have one drop of argan hair oil lurking in there. As we do also in the cerulean blue. Have a tiny spot of black. I'm not wanting this to be a dark piece though, so we'll just have it strategically here and there. There we are. I really don't want to ruin the painting just after one side of me, so I'm going to place a canvas here. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to turn the piece around and see where that gets me. So I'll really speed up these areas. I'm just working the heat gun. I'm spreading the paint out in lovely layers to see what effects I can get. It's really nasty and noisy, so while I do this in the blowtorch, we'll speed it up and have a little bit of music. Catch up with you again shortly. So I reached this point and decided I wanted to try and make my splats look more shapely. So I hand painted a few areas in. I left it 3 weeks and decided to varnish this piece. Essentially, by the time it had dried, I had a really badly yellowed, cracked piece. It looked like snakeskin over the entire piece, so the pinks changed to oranges like this. I've circled the area where a lot of damage was. I kept on coming back out to this piece over weeks and weeks and putting more layers of white on, trying to cover the cracks. That's when it became clear to me that I really could see Kate. This piece was for Kate, so honestly, I was chuffed a bit. Suddenly, it was leaping off the page at me that this could be Kate, and there was a whole purpose for all of the catastrophes that this piece had been through. Suddenly, it could be graffiti art. So I used a little app on my phone. It's actually Sketch that I used for this. It's just a basic app that came with my Xperia phone. So I put the outlines of the letters like this, and it gave me a really good idea of how I could complete this piece. It came to me to begin putting bricks in, and all this grey shading in texture I did with my hands. I just applied bits of paint with my fingertips to make it look like shaded bricks. And all over this process of time was when it came to me to do the bricks and actually spell out some graffiti. Happy days. Thank you all for watching. Watch this space, I'll be uploading again soon. Take care, bye bye.